Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Minecraft villager. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, we're going to start off by drawing the eyebrows with a long skinny rectangle. Now underneath for the eyes, we're going to draw a line down on both sides. And then two more in the center. And close it off at the bottom. And then let's add a line down in the center of each eye. Next, in between the eyes, let's draw a line across at the bottom. Then underneath, let's draw two lines down for the sides of the nose. And close it off at the bottom. Now on both sides of the nose, let's draw a square shape going outwards. And that's it for the face. Now let's draw the shape of the head. From the bottom, let's step up slightly and let's draw two lines out from the sides. And then let's bring them both up for the sides of the head. And then close off the top of the head with a line across. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and draw the body. From the sides of the head, let's step up from the bottom and let's draw a line out on both sides for the shoulders. Then let's bring it down on the sides. And a line across at the bottom to form a large rectangle. Now let's hop inside and draw some details. At the top, let's draw a small line down on both sides of the nose. And then bring it in at the bottom. Now underneath in the center, let's draw two more lines down. And a line across at the bottom. Next, let's hop out underneath the shoulders and let's draw a set of lines down like this. A small line in from the bottom. Bring it down again. And a line across to close it off. Now let's hop down, and in the center, we're going to move over to the left and then draw a line down, over, and down again. And then next to it, let's draw another step line in the same way. Now let's hop underneath, and for the next section of the body, let's start with two lines down. And a line across at the bottom. Next, let's hop in and let's draw a line down in the center. And another line on both sides. Lastly, underneath, let's draw the legs. We'll step in from the sides and let's draw two lines down. And then close it off at the bottom. Next, we're going to move inside and we're going to draw a line down in the center. And then a horizontal line across. And that's it for this Minecraft villager. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!